So we need to determine all 2 by 2 matrices A such that AB equals BA for any 2 by 2 matrix B. So let's write it down as let A be equal A, B, C, D, and let B be equal P, Q, R, S. Now let's look at their product AB. So AB equals matrix A times matrix B. So this equals AP plus BR, AQ plus BS, CP plus DR, CQ plus DS. Now let's find their product BA. So now we multiply matrix B by matrix A, and we will get BA plus QC, then PB plus QD, then AR plus BS, and then AR plus CS, AR plus CS, and then BR plus DS. Okay, and now we need to have these two matrices be equal. So this needs to be equal to this. Two matrices are equal if all of their entries are equal. So that means that AP plus BR equals PA plus QC. Then AQ plus BS equals PB plus QD. Then CP plus DR equals AR plus CS, and CQ plus DS equals BR plus DS. Okay, so we have a system of equations. Let's simplify them. So here we have AP, which we can cancel. We can just subtract AP from both sides. So we get that BR equals QC. Here we have that A minus D times Q minus B times P minus S equals 0. Here we have that C times P minus S minus R times A minus D equals 0. And finally, CQ equals BR. So from equation 1 and equation 4, so from these two equations we get that Q equals BR over C. So we get this from this equation. And now we will substitute it in equation 2. So in equation 2, we will get A minus D times BR over C minus B times P minus S equals 0. So we get that C equals A minus D times R over P minus S. And now we will substitute this in equation 2. So we get A minus D times BR over C minus B times P minus S equals 0. So B equals Q times A minus D over P minus S. So we get that A needs to be equal to A, here we have Q times A minus D over B minus S. Here we have R times A minus D over B minus S. And here we have D. So the 2 by 2 matrix which satisfies AB equals BA for any matrix B is this matrix A.